What's up, learning machines? So this is a quick video I wanted to make at nighttime right now. Today was the most insanely fun day ever. I gave a bunch of money in perspective to a lot of people today. Like it was $3 grand, which it was a test video kind of to see. I wonder if giving away a decent amount of money to start off with to people could make a great video. And if it performs well. So you guys will be seeing that video pretty soon. But anyway, I gave $1,000 to one of you learning machines inside of the Money Accelerator, one of the best membership programs ever, and it's always getting new big things added every single month. And if you're not inside yet, I really highly recommend get inside because it's got just so much value and new value every single month. It's insane. So that's freaking awesome, and it's doing really, really well. And I decided to give $1,000 to one of you learning machines. I'll be upping how much money I give per month. Hopefully, eventually, I want to be giving like $10,000 or more to people per month, which I think is a lot of money, honestly, for people to win, just for paying $97 a month. So I really, really am looking forward to that. But anyway, the person who I contacted first didn't ever respond, which was too bad, for the Money Accelerator giveaway. And then I just gave it a few days. This is why it's late for me to make this video for the first winner of the first month of the Money Accelerator's existence. Then I reached out to someone else, a random person that was inside the Money Accelerator, or most likely still is inside the Money Accelerator, because each one of these people are active people on the Money Accelerator. And so I reached out to this person. They responded, couldn't do Venmo, couldn't do Cash App, and had to pick a platform. I forgot what it's called, but it's called Revolution or something like that. And so I paid him $250 four times, $4,000. So that was cool. And so we got our first winner. I just wanted to make this video so everyone knows, like, I'm actually picking winners here to win money, and it's epic, and I feel great about it. And we're starting small at first because I want to be resourceful in the beginning of all this journey of making bigger and bigger videos over time. For the personal brand. Obviously, I do really, really big videos that get a lot of views and millions of views on my Cash Cow channel. But with this personal brand channel, I never had that many views. And so I have to build up to it. You know what I mean? So anyway, this is a quick announcement to let you guys know that, you know, I'm giving away money to people every month, randomly, who's active inside the Money Accelerator. And so it's very, very exciting. Just want to make this video. Peace out, learning machines. Peace. And here's just some of the messages to him, the person who won. So I emailed him randomly that he's the winner of the $1,000 giveaway. And then he said he's not a resident of the USA and he's in Denmark. Then he wanted to get paid with crypto. I don't do crypto anymore because I sold all my crypto. And it's better for me to track everything if I don't pay people with crypto and everything. And so anyway, we went on about that. Then he's like, okay, I have this account. And then he sent me a link, and then I tried to pay it. Didn't work. And then we figured out you just have to do it in a different limit. So I just paid in $250 four times, and he's paid. And that was my message saying that something's wrong. And then the money was sent, and I sent the money. I could show proof of the money, but I'd have to go inside my bank and blur everything. I don't want to do that. But yeah, there's the proof of, you know, picking a winner. So there you go. Next month we'll have another winner. Look forward to it. And peace out, learn machines.